In cipher 1, the flag is right in front of you, just slightly encrypted. All you have to do is figure out the cipher and the key. You can download the program files here. Additional details will be available after launching your challenge instance. So it says the binary can be unpacked using a tool that's often pre-installed on Linux. That tool is upx. That was the first thing that came to mind as a packing tool. So go ahead and grab the link. I'll show you how to do that. So if you need to install it, you do sudo apt-get install upx-ucl. I type my password wrong, doesn't matter, I already have it installed. And you can just do upx-d hidden cipher, and it unpacks it. Once you have it unpacked, you can do this in like Windows Subsystem for Linux. I've loaded it in here into Ghidra, and I'll show you how to make this code a little bit more readable. So this PTR, we're doing an fread on PTR, and that's going to be a car star array. So we'll retype that car star. So we're reading characters out of a file. All right, so that makes life a little bit better. Then this lvar2 is get secret, and this also is returning a car star. Okay, and so we see that we just basically have 7 bytes, 6 bytes, and a null terminator. S is here, it's undefined. We can change that to be an array of 7. Oh, what are we doing here? All right, so make it car, and then make it an array of 7 elements. All right. Oh, so that's cute. That's the secret. It's secret leadified a bit. All right, so let's go back now to main. So now what we want to do is we want to let it know how it already changed PCVar2 to a car star. That's nice. So what it's doing is it's basically looping through, taking the flag, which is this underscore PTR. So rename that to flag. And we'll rename this the secret key, or secret. So we're exclusive ORing the secret mod 6. So we're only going to look at 6 bytes of key with the flag, and we're printing that out. Okay, so let's go back to get secret. The downside of having done this for me is I really want to see, could redefine this back to just be byte and see if that helps. Because I really want these numbers to put them into CyberChef. So I have 53, 33, 4372, 33. I probably am getting this wrong. Let's be a little bit more careful here. So 53, 33, 43, 72, 33, 74. Guess that's going to be my key. And now we need to grab the actual encoded flag. Bam, there's my encoded flag. We're going to probably need the car code first. So add that to my recipe up here. And then, so we've converted this hex into characters. We've applied the exclusive OR, and we have exclusive OR unpack analysis. Okay, so again, in short, we unpacked that with UPX. Then when we looked at what the main program was doing, we saw this loop that was exclusive ORing the secret with the flag. We implemented that over here in CyberChef. We converted this and exclusive ORed it with the key, and we got our flag.